Fortunately, I have not been in a suicide situation. The second part of that, I think, asked me about what I do to stay psychologically healthy, and I think that's really, really important with all the day-to-day stressors that we deal with now, um, in this society we've created where it's important to perform and to be the perfect mom, the perfect wife, the work full time. It's just not really sustainable. So, um, personally, I choose to not say yes to everything. I'm pretty good at now, especially with social things, not feeling obligated to be everywhere. Therefore, limiting my stress and and ensuring that I'm functioning within my capacity. I exercise a lot, try and eat healthy and sleep normal hours, um, and also just to take everything with a grain of salt, knowing that life is short and everything's not a big deal. Everything is, in the grand scheme of things, life is good, and to keep that mentality, I think, really helps, even when things get hard or stressful.